Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about greetings in Finnish. The most common greetings used in Finnish language are hey, hello, moi, hi, terve, hi, hyvää, huomenta, good morning, hyvää, iltapäivää, good afternoon, hyvää ilta, good evening, hyvää yötä, good night, hyvää päivä, good day, näkemiin, goodbye, moi moi, bye bye, kiitos, hyvä, thanks. Terve and moi are used with friends, people of your age, or in casual situations. Hey is more neutral and can be used with people you don't know or in slightly more formal situations. Hyvää päivää and hyvää ilta are used when you want to be more polite or formal. Here are some more greetings. Hauska, tavata. Nice to meet you. Hauska, tutustua. Nice to get to know you. Nähdään. See you. Mukavaa, päivänjatkoa. Have a nice day. Kiitos. Thank you. Kiitos paljon. Thank you very much. Ole hyvä. You are welcome. Or please. Anteeksi. Excuse me. Pahoillani. Sorry. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.